The most basic valuation model is the Gordon growth model. Some people call it the dividend discount model. I built this in Excel, so if you want a copy, email me, but I'm going to go through it step by step. For this Excel model, just input into these 5 cells. First, the ticker. Let's do AT&T. So the ticker is T. And now what's the current stock price? Let's go to Yahoo Finance. This is the website right here, finance.yahoo.com. Type in the ticker. It's T. If you don't know the ticker, you can just type in the company name, AT, and it's right here. Just click on it. The stock price is $23.18. You could just copy that. You could paste it in here. Now let's get the current annual dividend. Let's go back to Yahoo Finance. You can use any website. I just use Yahoo Finance because I'm used to it and it's free. Click on statistics on the left side. Just scroll down and look for dividend. Let's keep going. Right here, dividends and splits. We want the annual dividend. I like to use the trailing annual dividend. That's what they actually paid in the past 12 months. So that's $1.11. You could use the forward. It happens to be the same. So $1.11. Let's paste that into our model. Now the WACC, or the discount rate. There's a note right here. Go to Finbox. They give you free WACCs. Finbox.com. Go to the search section. Type in the ticker T. Click on AT&T right here on top. Go to Models. Go to Cost of Capital. Hit the View button. And it gives you 3 WACCs, 8.5 up to 10. Let's use the middle, 9.3. Now the hard part is the growth rate. How much do you think the dividend will grow in the future? If you put 0, then you're saying the dividend will never increase. But we don't know the future. AT&T seems like a pretty stable company, so let's put 5%. So if they grow their dividend at a 5% annual rate, the stock is worth $25.81. It's trading at $23.18, so it's a buy according to the model. You're getting it at a 10% discount. If you feel 5% is too high, more like 3%. Now the value of the stock is $17.62. It's trading at a 32% premium. It's a sell according to the model. You can also adjust the WACC. You may feel 9.3% is too high for AT&T. 8% seems more appropriate. The lower the WACC, the higher the valuation. Now the stock is worth $22.20, which means it's trading pretty close to intrinsic value. I'll do other videos with more nuanced features, and I'll create more Excel models. And you could always email me if you want a copy of the Excel file. And I don't mind sending you the model for free. Just do me a favor and watch this video and other videos a bunch of times. It'll really help the channel out. Talk to you soon.